What if Nike ran your football club? Would it be about match days or about becoming a cultural icon? Today we're reimagining your club through the eyes of the swoosh and what marketers can learn from it. Hi, my name is Johnny and welcome to Tactics and Taglines, where football meets branding. Now, to imagine Nike running your club, you need to understand the Nike playbook. Nike's brand DNA is built on three pillars. 1. Emotion over product. They don't market shoes, they market empowerment. 2. Athletes as brands. Every star has a story from Jordan to Mbappe. And 3. Cultural adjacency. They insert themselves into music, fashion, activism, places sport usually doesn't go. If Nike took over your club, the focus wouldn't be the scoreline, it would be the storyline. Right now, most clubs operate under a monolithic brand model. One logo, one identity, used everywhere. Nike operates a branded house with sub-brands like Jordan, Nike Pro, and Nike Women, each with its own tone and audience. If they ran your club, the men's first team, the women's team, the academy, even the esports squad, they'd all have their own micro-brand, all tied back to a central mission. This segmentation would let them target ultra-specific audience, grow niche communities, and sell merch beyond your match-going fans. Nike wouldn't see your kits as seasonal. They'd see them as product drops, designed with scarcity, story, and social sharing in mind. You wouldn't have just a home or away kit, or even a third kit. You'd have limited editions, collabs with artists, capsule collections that tie into cultural moments. They'd use drop culture, the same model that sells out Air Jordans in minutes, to create urgency and FOMO around your club's merchandise. In Nike's world, content is the product. Every signing announcement, every tunnel walk, every training clip would be crafted like a cinematic campaign. Instead of posting match scores, you'd be posting micro documentaries. Instead of a press release, you'd launch a 60-second hype film. Why? Because Nike knows that shareable content creates brand reach faster than paid ads ever could. And this brings me neatly onto the top tip for marketers. Don't just sell the match or the product, sell the meaning behind it. Your brand grows faster when your audience feels like they're joining a movement, not buying a ticket. But here's the tension. Nike markets globally. Football clubs are rooted locally. So if Nike ran your club, your fan base could explode internationally, but some local traditions might fade. The marketing challenge would be to create global brand consistency while keeping local authenticity. And that's something few clubs have mastered. You'd have a lifestyle brand, a media company, and a merchandise empire, all under one badge. For marketers, the lesson is clear. Don't just sell the game, sell the culture around it. So, would you want Nike running your club? Drop your thoughts in the comments, give us a like, a follow, and I'll see you in the next one.